Good morning, you all, class 3. Today we are going to cover the assignment book, page number 35, 36 and 37. So let's see the first question. The first question is write the names of the utensils. You can see the different utensils present at your kitchen, right? So you have to write down the names. So the first picture is similar to cooker, right? So you are going to write down the cooker or the pressure cooker, you can say. The second picture is a tawa, right? It is a pan, so you have to write down the word pan. The third picture is your कढ़ाई, जो आपके घर में आप देखते हो. We can say कढ़ाई, or you can also say cauldron, right? So in English it is called as cauldron. The fourth picture, it is of a pan, so you have to write down the picture as pan. The fifth picture, you can see it is of a pot, right? So you are going to write down the word pot. The next picture is of a kettle, right? So you are going to write down the answer as kettle. Coming to the next one, write the fuels used in the following. We have learned that there are different types of fuels used in preparing the food. So the first picture, you can see a tawa is on the induction plate, right? Or you can say an induction steel. So this is used by the battery or the electricity. So I have written down here the electricity. The second, you can see the chula, and in this chula you can see the woods. So cow dungs, wood, coal, anything you can write. So the fuel that is used is woods. Next is, you can see the kerosene stove, right? So in kerosene stove we use kerosene oil. Next is your oven. So in oven it is used by the electricity, or it is basically fuel which is used is called as electricity. Next is, I have shown you the picture of solar cooker. So it consumes the sunlight. And the last one is your gas. You can see this gas in day to day life, right? So आपके घर में भी ये गैस होती है. This is by LPG cylinders, जो कि हम यूज़ करते हैं इसको बर्न करने में, right? So now let's come to page number 36, and we are going to see page number 36. On page number 36, you can see name one food item prepared by the following method of cooking. You have to tell me. I have given you the exercise, given you the art integrated activity, that using different methods you have to prepare some meal. Some of you have just click the pictures. Make sure you make the portrait, right? Add the pictures, write down the steps, and then send it to me. This is, first is boiling. So for boiling we can make the corns, we can boil the corns, we can boil the vegetables and make the vegetable soup, or also we boil Maggi, right? And we add the masala and we eat Maggi. Next is your frying. So French fries, tikki, all of these are made by frying. नेक्स्ट इज़ रोस्टिंग. जो भी आपके नट्स होते हैं, जैसे कि आलमंड्स हो गए, कैशियोज हो गए, वॉलनट्स हो गए, पीनट्स हो गए, सो ऑल दी नट्स is prepared by roasting. Then baking. So when we talk about the baking, so cake, your cake, dhokla, right? So these are prepared by the method of baking. Next is your steaming. So by the method of steaming, idlis, momos, all of these are prepared. Now coming to the next question, you have to put the number in the correct order by making the soup. ठीक है, आपको सूप बनाना है, and you can see there are different steps that are given, but it is not in the correct order. You have to write down in the correct order. First is add tomato, onion, jeera and coriander leaves. Second is filter and add pepper powder. Third is add salt and pour water. Fourth is cut vegetables. Fifth is boil and grind in the mixie. And sixth is delicious vegetable soup is ready. So क्या steps होंगे? So you have to write down these steps. So first of all, we are going to cut the vegetables. Whenever we are going to make a soup, we have to cut the vegetables. So the first step is cut the vegetable. Second is add tomato, onion, jeera and coriander leaves in the vegetable, right? Add salt and pour water. उसके अंदर हम वेजिटेबल के अंदर पानी डालेंगे. Then you can switch the steps, right? Cut the vegetables, add salt and pour water, add tomatoes. ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, या सेकेंड और थर्ड को हम switch कर सकते हैं. Then the fourth one is boil and grind in the mixie or grind in the mixie. The fifth one is filter and add the black pepper. ठीक है, काली मिर्च जो है हम ऐड करेंगे. एंड लास्ट वन इज़ योर डिलीशियस वेजिटेबल सूप इज़ रेडी टू ईट. So you have to write down the correct numbers, correct orders for the soup. You can also prepare the soup by the method called boiling. Last is answer the following questions. I am giving you the answers for these questions. You have to write down the answers in your EVS notebook. The first is what is cooking. So it is basically a method or the preparation of food. Then name and draw some utensils used for cooking. We have already covered this in the first question, so I am not giving you the answer for second, but you should know the names of the utensils. You should know what the utensils are called. The third is what are utensils made up of. We have already covered this question that utensils are made up of metals. Okay. Then the fourth one is why should food be cooked before eating. हमें food जो है वो क्यों cook करना चाहिए? Because it kills all the germs. जो भी germs वगैरह होते हैं उसको kill कर देता है. Next is what is the full form of LPG. So I have written down the full form of LPG, so you have to write it down. And LPG is also called as LP gas. Then what is the difference between cooked and uncooked food or raw food. So cooked food is which is being cooked or prepared with some method, or uncooked food or raw food is basically a food which is not cooked, it is consumed directly. Then name the things that we eat raw. कौन कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं. So all of your salads, all of your nuts, ये सारी जो है हम raw खाते हैं. You can add more if you like to have. Next is name the things that can be eaten raw as well as cooked. ठीक है. So salad के अंदर भी we use carrots. ठीक है. So हम उसको पका के भी खा सकते हैं. We can cooked it and we can also consumed it as raw. There are numerous things. I have not written down the answer for 8th. You know the answers. If you want to write it down, you can. If you don't, it's up to you. Last is explain a few methods of cooking food. We have already discussed it in the class that roasting, right? Then we have discussed about boiling, frying. So we have already covered this question. So you have to complete the assignment book, write down the answers in the notebook of the back questions, and complete the work and submit the work in the EVS group. Thank you.